up at the camp. Still pitch black dark. I need coffee, and I don't have any power on the inverter. We're gonna fire off this generator right now. Now let's see if I can get this out and open. Oh, good grief, Jim. Get it out. Need my knife. Let me get it. All right. Little patch knife, just in its spirit out of the outdoors. Sharp knife. Handy to have on your side. Of course, I got on my shorts and didn't have it on my side. Hadn't been up but about 4 minutes. Oh, here we go. We got some instruction manuals. Here's the big one. Startup guide. Mix gas and fuel stabilizer, fill gas tank with gas mixture, open access panel on side, remove oil fill plug, fill to full level. Well, kind of figured that. Does this thing come with a cover? Look at here. No? I don't know. It's got a funnel. Well, I just knew I was going to make a mess on it this morning. What's in this little plug? Nothing. Let's see what's in this bag. Y'all, this is the little Predator. Super quiet run. Got it from Harbor Freight. $629. And I'm just curious if I got a tool set or what. Plug in and a screwdriver. I'm not real sure what this plug-in is going to be for. Well, I'm assuming this is some type of a T-handle to do something with. Yep. I don't know if we need any of this to get it. Oh! Almost got my toe. I'm in my flip-flops. Don't tell OSHA. All right. I can't pick that up out of that box, but I can do that right there. All right. Oh yeah, it said I got to pull the panel off the side to put oil in it. Which panel? I'm assuming this one. It is this one. Little hole right chin. Of course, I do got my flashlight. Bam. All right. I probably need to have it set and level to put oil in it. Oil access door. That don't say oil on it nowhere. Not nowhere. You just have to know. Now I did get some oil with this thing. I just got to find it. It may not even be in the back. It may be. Hey, there it is. I got it. I got it. I hope I didn't just put that light in y'all's eye. Get my little funnel. Got me some Pennzoil 10W30. I don't know how much this thing holds. We fixing to find out. Try that. Oh yeah, there we go. I can see a little something. I don't want to overfill it. That's probably level. Let's see. We there. We right in the middle. Okay, there it goes. All right, we got our oil in. Try not to make a mess here. All right. We'll put this back on. All right. What is this up here? I don't know what that is. Maybe a primer. All right. It says fill gas, add engine oil. Well, I already put the oil. So let's get some gas in it. Get that off. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Let's see if I can get up here. Oh! It's early in the morning, folks. You have to be climbing, y'all. Probably can't see me way up here. You just looking at my old knobby knees. But that's all right. That's all right. I gotta turn this spigot thing. I hate these gas jugs. Hate is a strong word. I really dislike these gas jugs. Leaking everywhere. Leaking gas everywhere out of this jug. This is a brand new jug. Crap jug. This thing had a pretty big fuel tank on it. Good grief. I bought 3 gallons. That probably held 1.5 gallons. All right. All right, boys and girls. I just ran gas all over the front of it. Let's see here. Run. Start. Let's see if it'll crank. I'm gonna turn it right here where I can get my hand on it. Run. Start. It almost cranked on that first pull. Well, that's it. Thing really isn't that loud, is it? There you go. Predator. Super quiet inverter generator. Okay. I'm ready for some coffee. You can take this thing over here and give me actually the coffee maker is lighter than the generator. I'm gonna go get the coffee maker and bring it right here. Now I'm gonna make me some coffee. Now watch here. I gotta get my coffee out. Hold on. All right. Brand new box of Folgers. Look at here. Folgers. If anybody from Folgers is watching this, just know I drink the classic roast. About all I drink. It's all I buy anyway. And I sure would like to have a nice supply of Folgers K-Cups down here for the camp. You know, just if anybody from the Folgers company is watching. gonna see how loud this thing is. We're gonna see if you can hear me over this generator. They advertised it as quiet as a conversation. Really, they did. I can't see. Which button do I gotta hit? Top. Yeah. Oh, she fired up then. All right. This little coffee maker isn't the quickest. So while it's doing this thing, I gotta go get my sugar and a spoon. Look there, got a little throttle button. Now that thing's even way more quiet. How about that? I could sleep with that on. That wouldn't bother me at all, I do believe. How about that? Now look. Now look over there. Tiny house. So, generator worked good. That was a blast. A blast. Wasn't a blast. I mean, you're gonna fix it to be a blast drinking this coffee. That wasn't the word I was looking for. And say, that was great, actually. A blast? Nah. But great? Yes, indeed. Oh, sorry. Got you right in my face. I'm trying to see what this sugar doing down here. Let me get me some. Here, look. I got the tripod. Let me set you back right here. Y'all can watch me fix this morning coffee. This little generator here, that was excellent. That was excellent. Fired that thing off. Didn't take us a couple minutes, have it ready to crank. Fired it off, made a cup of coffee. I'm gonna tell y'all something else. There ain't a gas station anywhere in this area that has good coffee. It is all about the color of sweet tea. I mean, just weak coffee. I like my coffee dark. My coffee maker at home has an extra bold option, and I push that button every time. Ah, yeah, that's better. That's it. That first sip wasn't quite right. That second sip was. Well, I'm not sure if I said it. Good morning, y'all. Good morning. It may not be morning when you're watching this, but it's morning for me right now. And you see it. Gotta have it. Coffee. I see that tiny house. Got some stuff to do. Got some stuff to do. But that's it. That's it. This is it. One video of me making coffee with my new generator. Y'all, thanks for watching. Y'all get up. Go outside and do something. It's great outdoors. I got stuff to do myself. We'll see y'all. I'm gone. I'm gone to finish this coffee before I do something. I promise you that. All right. Well, we'll see y'all on the next one.